Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another one. Today we'll be starting the journey through the flipping of cars, as we need more of a budget. And the budget we're going to need is probably around 15 grand or so, just to start off with, so we can get more stuff done to the Mercedes C200 W202. We were looking at possibly just going with the bolt-on supercharger kit for it, and looking at manual converting it with their budget and a few other things that we want to do to it. So this is the start of the journey through flipping cars to reach a budget of 15 grand. So to start us with that journey, there was actually a car down the road that was going really cheap. They had it up super cheap, so I went to go have a look at it. Wasn't too bad, you know. It all ran, nothing too bad with it, you know. It runs good, engine's in really good condition. It's just clicked over 200,000 Ks, so that was awesome. And it was really cheap, so it was kind of a mindless buy, really easy decision to make. And so I guess this will be the first car that I'll be doing to head towards that budget of 15 grand. No, not that one, but that is something that I'll get to later for some other project for someone else. So without further ado, here is the next one. Open. Hey, there we go. Okay, there's something going on there. All that junk in there, some stuff in there, tea towel. It's actually pretty straight. He does have the ZF 6-speed transmission, so that's good. Let me jump in the car. Okay, let's see. It's only done 200,000 K, so not much at all. Leather seats, grey leather seats. There's no tears in the seat, so we're good on that side. We're gonna rip all the interior out and deep clean the carpets, detail it. Yeah, we'll detail the whole car. As you can all see, the roof is pinned up, so we're going to change that. What you can't see is the center bearing needs to be done, so we're going to change out the center bearing and the uni joint and probably get it balanced before we put it back in. The starter motor is a bit dicky, so we're going to get a new starter motor for that. Probably change out water pump. It's coming up to summer now, and I don't know when it was done last, so we'll just, for precautionary reasons, we'll change out the water pump, thermostat, get it done, get it cleaned up, fixed, so we can put her back on the market for sale. Everything else on the car is actually really good. Like, for the price I got it for, it was a steal. It was definitely a steal, so there's definitely something to be made off of this car. So I'm going to start and go and do all of that now, and hopefully we can have that done in a couple of days. Fingers crossed. Alright. And I have to go make room in the driveway, so let's go move the Mercedes. Oh! Yes. Camera's hanging down. Oh! That's right, I only put the tape there to set it there. I haven't put screws in. Alright. You have to come back and put screws in that. Right now, let's go move this. Oh, reverse camera. Forgot about that. Seeing as I just picked it up, yeah. There it is. Ready to get going. Let's go. Okay, so I've decided to do the roof lining. Then we take off the pillars, B-pillars, handles, visors, center console, and then we get the headliner out. So we're going to need Phillips screwdriver, 230 Torx bit, and we can get the roof lining out. Boom, let's get it out. Alright, so the headliner's out now and laying down. The old one's off now. So let's get the new fabric on and get it back in the car. Now we have to take off this foam backing. A lot of people use a rotary tool or a electric drill with a brush end to take that off, but I'm just going to use my hand. So using your hand over a brush tool or a drill is probably a lot easier, and you don't need a tool. Just some rubber gloves. Make sure they're fairly decent rubber gloves, and you rub your hand back and forward over it. You'll create little balls that stick together. But you don't want to rub these little balls down deep together, or else they'll just start scoring. So you can go over the board like that and get it off quick. So I'm going to do that. Alright, roof lining's laid out. So OEM over felt roof lining replacement. So 50-50, spray that side, spray this half, and wait 10 minutes and then stick them both together. Okay, time to get the roof lining on. Camera battery's been dead, so I just powered it on with a job, and now it's in the car. All done. Oh, that looks heaps better. We will probably move on to the next one tomorrow. I'm not too sure what it is. I think we'll be sticking on the 20s, just see how they run. The tires are a lot better on them, so we'll probably go with that option. I'll probably wrap it up there for now and pick it up tomorrow. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Like, subscribe, I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.